Hi guys, today I want to show you how you can download and install Davinci Resolve 17 for free. So let's start it. Open the browser and type Davinci Resolve and hit enter. As you can see, the Davinci Resolve 17 is here. So let's click on this link. Then scroll all the way down to find the free version. Here we go, the free version and the paid version. We are going to download the free version. Click on download now. And now here we are going to download the 17 beta. Click here for Windows. You have to fill in all the details. So we are going to do this, and then at the bottom right click on register and download. It takes a few minutes to download the zip file. When the zip file is downloaded, then click on it. A new window pops up. Double click on it to run the extract. It takes a few minutes to extract. Now Davinci Resolve 17 is ready to install. I'm going to hit next and then accept all of the terms in the license agreement and then install. Hit finish and bang, there we go. We have got Davinci Resolve 17. Close all the windows. Open the application and make sure that's working correctly. If you deleted the shortcuts from desktop, you should see that in your start menu here. So let's open it.